Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can use Descript for video editing. So let's say that you have imported your video into the Descript and now you want to edit it. So you will open up the editor, which we are right now in this. Now the first thing you will see is down here, you will see here the script on the left side. Here this the the biggest screen is the video, and below here is timeline. Now the first what we can do is we can adjust here, as you can see, our length. Here below I have also the script. Then you will see here the record button, play button, and split button, which we can use it on our timeline, so we can split it like so. Then on the right side here we have some options that we can use. So we have elements that we can use in our video. So dynamic text, waveform, playback, progress, annotations, frames also. Also we have captions, media, GIFs, videos, images. Then we have also properties and AI tools, which are helpful if we want to do something. So we can here, for example, create clips, create highlight reels, um, edit for clarity, as you can see. And yeah, this is basically it, how we can use this the script for video editing. Now, when you are finished with your video, you will see here in upper at the top right corner export button. So if you click on it, you can then set your title for the video. Then destination, you can choose the destination, as you can see. So if you want YouTube video, you can also set up description right here. Also the category, tags, and so on. But if you want just the script, web link, or local export, you will then just set up the resolution. But yeah, for the resolution, for good resolution, you will need upgraded plan. And yeah, this is basically quick way to explain you how you can edit in the script. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next